Good day, tribes. How are you? It's me, Donna Bliss, and today is a special day because my best friend and her family are here to visit us from Dubai, and I can't wait to show you what we're going to do for 7 days. So we're just letting them sleep in at the moment until they're ready to wake up. Are you ready for our adventure here in Australia with the Brownings? I am so excited. We have no itinerary today, but maybe tomorrow we have. See you. Gentle. Maddie farted? Yeah. It's your fault. I'm going to share some of the things we did, but this vlog is about my current epiphany about abundance. Ever since my family and I transferred here in Australia from Dubai, I have been defining abundance as, you know, owning a car, a house and lot, traveling, enough money to spend on material things or temporary pleasures. That was my definition of abundance then, and I don't think there's nothing wrong with that.
Well, there still is. Well, at least you got your dream of getting a cocktail.
I still think that's true in a sense, although I have come to realize or discovered that the definition runs deeper than I initially thought. Please hear me out, because it took me decades and a lot of tears and hardships to realize this. I have been thinking that the universe has been giving me enough to survive, but I felt that
it was always lacking. And for some reason, I can relate to a rock that's been pressurized to a high degree and became a diamond. That's a great analogy for my life. As I survived multiple traumas that I have just been healing from, I felt like I had to undergo all these hardships for the last 22 years, and it made me look at life on a different perspective. So I will see and pay attention to what really matters most. But don't get me wrong, I have lots of triumphs too. What I meant was, when it rained, it really poured. It seems as if the universe will strip you of your ego, pride, money, just so you will pay attention to what is real. And what is real is something we can't see. We all have it within us and around us. It is love. It's so simple, yet so hard to find if you don't know where to look. The true essence of living is to be who you want to be, so you will attract the same energy.
It's very ancient.
In this life, I want to be love, lots of love, so I can give the exact energy to those who surround me. And therefore, I will attract those of you who are energetically seeking the same feeling. I'm saying feeling because love is something you can't see or touch. It's something we feel, and it's the most powerful energy of all. As simple or such a cliche it may seem to be, we don't need to look further, honestly. We were all born perfect, and so we all have that pure love within us. Unfortunately, because of our programming, of our environment, this pure love gets, let's just say, tainted with negativity or childhood traumas or bad experiences. But we just have to find it again and again. Sometimes we get lost, but friends help us find that. And sometimes just people who comes in and out of our lives, even strangers, nature, animals, or pets. Some humans connect more to animals, you know what I mean? My bottom line is, love is love. Oftentimes, we find love when we're not even looking or resisting it.
Yes, baby. Eh? What hole? Oh, Daina, it's very nice hole. It's a very doable hole. The hole. Oh, they're eating very, very fast.
Concentrate.
Fluffy. Fluff. Fluff. Selfie. Hi. Hello, dear. Hi, dear. Alam mo, kiss siya. Block stuff.
Right there.
Ah, yep.
That's an eel.
Oh.
It's a baby.
It is a baby one.
Yeah.
Looks like a snake, isn't it?
Yeah, but it swims in water. That's what it's called, an eel. How about we send it to Grandma and Grandpa?
So Grandpa can eat it?
No. They're gonna be very shy.
What? Grandma and Grandpa?
No, Grandpa. He's swimming away then.
I chose to redefine abundance because I realized there will never be enough. I will always seek more and more with material things. I don't want to be a bottomless pit. I find peace and satisfaction in the energies that's always within me, and it is easier to sustain. And when you grow your own inner abundance, that love and contentment of what you feel now, there's a great deal of inner joy no money can buy. I felt such a connection to Daina for more than a decade. We both have lots of differences in perspective, but we've gone through a lot. But because we both have this love inside, we attract each other, and it will be a forever connection. And this, my friend, is abundance, a love and a person who will embrace you through thick and thin. I wish you found yours, or if you haven't yet, be that person, be love, because you will attract people with the same energy. Be mindful of the company you keep, because that energy is your inner energy. You have to be aware of who you surround yourself with. These people are your soul tribes. So choose well what kind of abundance you want.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up.
If you like vlogs like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, so you will receive my weekly vlogs.
It is my
Light and love.
Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah.